Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is the video of class 3rd of English grammar. Through this video, we are going to learn chapter 5, that is apostrophe S. So let's start our today's class. Hey Albus, look, the dog belonging to Sia is so big. Oh Jamie, why do you always complicate things? So, do you have any better way to say it? Yes, I do. Instead of saying dog belonging to Sia, you can say Sia's dog. This form of noun is called possessive, as it shows something belonging to someone. An apostrophe plays a very important role here. Let's see how. Hey there, I am an possessive apostrophe. I show what belongs to whom. And once I'm done, I sit like here. Now see some general rules to form possessive noun. Rule 1. To change a singular noun to a singular possessive noun, add apostrophe s after the singular noun. For example, the name of my friend is Jimmy. We can write that my friend's name is Jimmy. Remember, it doesn't matter if the singular noun ends in s already. For example, the hair of Chris is round. Can be written as Chris's hair is round. Rule number 2. To make possessive form of plurals ending in s, just add apostrophe after the plural. For example, the brother of the girls is short. Can be written as the girl's brother is short. The parents of my friends were invited for the party as well. This can be written as my friend's parents were invited for the party as well. Rule 3. To make possessive form of plurals not ending in s, add apostrophe s after the plural. For example, the mother of the children is pretty. Can be written as the children's mother is pretty. Let's take a look at another example. That soap is good for clothes of women. Can be written as that soap is good for women's clothes. Remember, if the possessive form of nouns can be only used with people and animals, it cannot be used for things. For example, friend's card. But we don't say the car seat. We say seat of the car. Jimmy, now that you know what are possessive nouns, can we repeat it quickly? Yes. The possessive form of nouns show something belonging to someone. We make use of an apostrophe, comma to show possession. For singular nouns, use apostrophe s. For example, lions, Dan, uncles, umbrella. For plural nouns ending in s, only use apostrophe, comma. For example, the sailor's boat, baby's cries. For plural nouns not ending in s, use apostrophe s. For example, woman's song, man's dance. Wow, Zimbi, you are so smart. Thank you, Elvis. What I am because of you. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.